What we really, I guess we had an experience at our home. Trey was there with us. It was the very first, we had just invited some people over to our house. And he spoke, and we used an oximeter. We tested my mother's, her oxygen level, and we knew she was feeling bad. We knew that something was wrong. And I was getting a little bit concerned. And we tested her, and she was at about an 85. And literally, we gave her a bottle of Evolve. We tested her about 10 minutes, half a bottle, really. Tested her about 10 minutes later, and she was at a 98. And, I mean, the alignment, that was powerful, because I thought, man, I was excited before because I saw that this was so great for us, and it really, really was going to be a natural fit. But when I saw that, the passion was there. I was like, okay, I don't care what else happens. I looked at Trey, I said, whatever happens with this, you have changed our lives. You changed my mom's life. She's drank the product now for as long as, since we were able to get it in her hands. And at that moment, we were like, okay, this is cool. We are going to help ourselves financially. We're going to help the people that we love by improving their health. And it's something that we can really, really get behind and be absolutely 100% passionate about. So it was cool.